Okay, students, I'm especially concerned with a student of class 11. Okay, why? I'm going to start a new chapter named complex number. Okay, then before starting, I will like to talk to you with these two equations: x square minus 4 equal to 2 and x square plus 9 equal to 2. Then we solve. All of you know about solving this. Then what we say, x square equal to 4 or x equal to root under 4 or plus minus 2. Okay. Now here x square equal to minus 9 or x equal to minus root under. Here we are unable to give the exact number, find the exact number. Why? We know that square root of negative number is not a real number. अभी तक आपको इसका concept है. Okay? Then taking the equations like this, it means whenever we were concerned with square root of negative number, we were getting problems. Okay? Then at first Euler, a mathematician named Euler, introduced the concept of a term, that is I. Euler was the first mathematician to introduce I. Here, what is I actually? The full number of full word for I is iota. Okay, and we say it imaginary number. Okay, then he introduced this number. This is what he told that minus root under of square root of minus 1 is I. Okay? He told, he given the concept, Euler had given the concept that take a square root of minus 1 equal to I, and this is iota, and he said this to be imaginary number. Then what? When we now write like it, when we write like this, my I root under minus 1 equal to I, then I square equal to what? Minus 1. Then if we put here, we can say that minus 9 equal to minus 1 into 9, and here what we are putting? We are saying that minus 1 is equal to I square. Then I square here, I square into 9, and this is now not 3I. Okay, समझ गए? एक्चुअली क्या था कि जब हमको इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, इस तरह कि भाई स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर कैसे ले, तो एट फर्स्ट है ना, पहले क्या किए, यूलर नाम के जो मैथमेटिशियन थे वो बोले कि भैया ऐसा करो, एक हम नंबर ले लेते हैं आई, है ना, आई जिसका स्क्वायर वैल्यू को हम कहेंगे माइनस, है ना. लेट अस टेक ए नंबर I, and what is I? We will say that square of this I equal to 1. Then I is equal to actually root under minus 1. He took this concept, and after then we were able to solve problem like this. Okay, समझ गए? And we are now simply, actually iota is the complete word, which I am saying I but in practice, practically, what we say I is the imaginary number. Okay, I को हम लोग जनरली इमेजिनरी नंबर करते हैं, समझ गए? तो अब यहाँ पर है कि आप ये है, तो when we say that Z is a number, which type of number? That is x plus iy. What x plus iy means? If x is a real number and y is also a real number, okay? What? If x is a real number and y is a real number, then combination of both with I is known as complex number. Z is said to be complex number. We are here mainly concerned with what? We are here mainly concerned with complex number. है ना, हमारे चैप्टर का ही नाम है क्या? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। अब समझे आप कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होता क्या है? एक्चुअली कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू थिंग्स. व्हाट? दिस इज ए प्योर, एक्स इज ए प्योर, z is equal to what? We say mathematically that z is equal to x plus iy, where x is a real number, y is a real number, but when I is mixed with y, I और y को एक साथ लेते हैं, तो y is what? Real number, but I is an imaginary number. Then the combination of this is imaginary number. Combination of I and y is an imaginary number. Then this is now what? Get it? Z equal to x plus iy. X is real number, y is real number, but when y is mixed with I is an imaginary number. Then when we say this combination iy is an imaginary number. क्या कर रहे हैं? काल्पनिक चीज है. इमेजिनरी मीन्स काल्पनिक, और ये आपका वास्तविक है. आप पढ़ रहे हैं, सपोज लेट अस थिंक लाइक दिस, आप पढ़ रहे हैं, दैट इज ए रियलिटी. आप यू डिजर्व सपोज 90 प्लस मार्क्स, ओके? तो आप सोच रहे हैं हमको ये होता, वो मतलब पढ़ रहे हैं, नंबर अच्छा था, बट इफ यू आर गेटिंग दैट, यू हैव गॉट in your dream, you are getting what? I have got 102% marks. Okay, 102 is great, good mark, very good mark. But how it can be 102% हो सकता है क्या? तो वो that is the thing. जैसे आप हम लोग एक पढ़ते हैं नल से, सेक्सरी में पढ़ते, he suppose Mohan studies 25 hours daily, then is it possible? 25 hours कैसे पढ़ेगा कोई भी भाई एक दिन में? 24 घंटा का होता है. तो that is the thing, we say it to be imaginary, not possible. So here I is ऐसा है कि कल्पना जैसा हम लगता है कर. Okay, then if y is mixed with I, then now this is what? This is an imaginary number. Then combination of and a real number and imaginary number is what? Complex number. जैसे हम एक रियल में एक इमेजिनरी मिला दें तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गया, दैट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ओके, देन we say z to be a complex number whenever we say we will take z equal to x plus iy, where x and y are real and I is what? Iota, obviously imaginary number, which is equal to what? This is equal to root under minus. This is the concept. Okay. Then we say this x is a real number and x is said to be a real part of x. This is said to be real part of z. x को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? x is a real part of z and y is said to be imaginary part of z. Okay, this is represented as like this: x equal to real part of z, that is complex number, and y is what? Y is imaginary part of complex number z. Okay, then let us come here. Suppose we say that purely a real number. Let us say, try to talk about what is purely real number. If and only if, this is the symbol for if and only, है ना? इसको हम I double F को क्या करते हैं? If and only. Okay? Then if and only if what? Y equal to 0 in what? Z. If y equal to 0 in Z, then the Z is said to be what? Z is said to be purely real number. जैसे देखिए Z equal to what? X plus I y. Okay? We know that we have taken Z equal to X plus I y. Then X equal to X plus I into y equal to 0. If and only if y equal to 0, then take care. Then this is what? This becomes 0. Then this is now only x. Then x is what? Real number. So any complex number z will be said to be purely real number if and only if y is equal to 0. Okay? समझ गए? Now what? Purely imaginary number. Purely, this is said to be purely real number. Take this to be purely imaginary number. Purely imaginary number. This is what? Purely imaginary. If and only if x equal to 0, then z is said to be purely imaginary. Let us see x, z equal to x plus I y. Okay, then we are taking x equal to 0. Then this is what? I y. If y is equal to, if y is a real number, but when it is mixed with I, this is purely imaginary. Okay, then this is what? This is imaginary of what? Okay, this is purely imaginary. What we are saying? Purely real number. कोई नंबर प्योरली रियल कब होगा? जब हमारा y क्या होगा? 0 होगा. तो y 0 हो गया, प्योर केवल x आ गया. प्योरली इमेजिनरी कब होगा? जब x आपका 0 हो गया, x 0 हो गया, रियल नंबर 0 हो गया, केवल y बाई बच गया. अब है कार्ड आ जाइए आप लोग. इमेजिनरी okay, imaginary number is what? When only here this y is not equal to 0. Okay, and x is 0. Y is not equal to 0. Then z will be what? Z will be I by. And y is not equal to 0, then this will be said to be imaginary of. Okay, this is purely imaginary, and this is if and only x आपका 0 होना ही होना है. इस जगह आपका क्या है? x 0 है, लेकिन ये आपका y 0 नहीं. Okay, then now let us talk about sum operation. समझ रहे हैं कि आपका ये क्या होता है? प्योरली इमेजिनरी और प्योरली इमेजिनरी और रियल समझ गए. अब देखिए आप नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट? इक्वालिटी. इक्वालिटी let us say that there are two numbers z1 and z2. These are complex numbers. Then take z1 equal to x1 plus iy1 and x2 equal to z2 equal to x2 plus iy1. Okay. Then if x1 equal to x2 and y1 equal to y2, then z1 becomes x2. ओके, कब होगा? जब दोनों कॉम्प्लेक्स का रियल नंबर बराबर हो. x1 is real number of only real part, not imagine. Both are real number, but real part of z1 and real part of z2 if are equal, and imaginary part of z1 and imaginary part of z2 are equal, then these two complex number are said to be what? That is, these are equal. z1 and z2 are equal. समझ रहे हैं कि हम कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है, दो नंबर, तो कब दोनों का रियल पार्ट इक्वल हो, दोनों का इमेजिनरी पार्ट इक्वल हो, तो एक आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इक्वल हो. अब है ये क्या चीज? तो हम एज we perform the mathematical operation in real number जो भी है 2, तो हम suppose we have two real numbers like 3 and 4. okay, क्या है? हमारे पास दो रियल नंबर 3 और 4. तो what generally we do? We can perform addition here. 3 plus 4 हम कर सकते हैं. That all of you know that 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Every student of class 1 knows this one. Then we can also perform, this is what? Mathematical of beard. I am talking about what? Mathematical operation among real numbers. Real number के बीच में हम लोग mathematical operation क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? जोड़ते हैं. Simply, if we say simply, हम कोई दो रियल नंबर है, क्या करते हैं? जोड़ते हैं, घटाते हैं, गुना करते हैं, भाग करते हैं. Like that. We are adding, we are subtracting, we are multiplying, we are dividing. Okay. Then suppose we have two numbers 3 and 4. Then we can add these two, we can subtract these two, then we can multiply these two, we can divide this by these two. Okay. तो जिस तरह से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, रियल नंबर का क्या करते हैं, ये मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन आप करते हैं. कौन सा? एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. सिमिलरली ऑल दोज मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन विल बी डन विद कॉम्प्लेक्स. क्लियर हुआ? जैसे कोई 2 डिजिट है, कोई रियल नंबर 2 है, उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं. सिमिलरली all these mathematical operation will be done with the what? 2 complex number. क्लियर हो गया? तो हम देखें कि कैसे है. what is the algebra of this complex number? let us see. what is mathematical operation or algebra of 2 complex numbers? Then let us say alpha then z1 and z2 is 2 complex numbers. Say this one is equal to x1 plus y1 and x2 plus. Okay, these are 2 complex numbers. Then first we get the example of addition. Just observing what happens when these two are added. है ना? हम लोग देखना चाह रहे हैं कि जुटता कैसे. Like when you talk about vector analysis, vector analysis का syllabus देखते हैं, उसमें क्या है? You learn how to add 2 vectors, how to subtract 2 vectors, how 2 vectors can be multiplied. Okay. Similarly, let us see the addition. Then what actually here we want? We want that z1 plus z2 equal to 1. How these two will be added, है ना? जैसे हम बच्चे को लोग को सिखाते हैं ना क्लास 2-3 में, ए बेटा ये है 2 और 3 को कैसे ऐड करेंगे, तो लेट अस राइट डाउन लाइक दिस 2, लेट अस राइट डाउन 3, then 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Then here at first we are starting to learn how these are added, है ना? आप हैं 11 के, लेकिन आपको पहले वो बताना है. ओके, एडिशन आपको बता रहे हैं how these are added. Then say z1 plus z2 equal to what? Here x1 plus I by 1, x2 plus I by 1. Okay, then let us take two together, x1 plus x2 together, and here take I common, then I by 1 plus 1. Okay, then now sum of two real numbers will be a real number, and sum of two real numbers will be a real number, and here is the I. Then we can add like this. Okay, if we are interested in subtraction, then what we want? We want z1 minus z2. Write down x1 plus I1 minus x2 plus I1. Okay, then here x1 plus I1 minus x2 minus I by, then take x2 these two together, x1 minus x2. Let us take here common I by 1 minus y. Then again this is a real number, this is a real number. Okay, real number, and this is a real number, and here in between there is I. Then this can be like this, these can be subtracted. Now let us see the multiplication. पहले समझ लीजिए, उसके बाद ये ऑपरेशन आपको खाली करना पड़ेगा, डिटेल में नहीं कुछ. Then let us see multiplication. Multiplication of 2. It means we are interested in finding out z1 into z2. Then this is what? This is equal to x1 plus I by 1 on x2 plus I2 by 2. Okay, here x1 into x2. Okay, and here this is what? I into x1 into by 2. This one into this one. Okay, plus this one, multiply this with this. This is what? I by 1 x2, and this with this. Then I square by 1 by 2. Okay, then this is what? This is x1 x2 plus I x1 by 2 plus I, let us चलिए कोई बात नहीं, I by 1 x2, and this is what? I square. We know that I square equal to minus 1, that is minus by 1 by 1. Take it together, x1 in x2 minus by 1 by 2. Take it together, these two, and let us take here common I plus I to x1 by 2 plus by 1 x2. What we observe here? This is what? Product of two real number will be a real number. Product of two real number will be a real number. Real number minus real number will be a real number. Here product of two and sum of both is a real number, but it is connected with I. This one is what? This is an imaginary number, and this is real number. Okay, this one is what? This one is a real part, and this is, though it is related with I, then this is imaginary part. Then product of 2 is again a complex number. Okay, real part plus imaginary part is a complex number. Okay, then you have understood for multiplication. Now come at division. Division of 2, let us say z1 by z. Then what? x1 plus I by 1 divided by x2 plus I by. Here what we do? Here we just rationalize. क्या करते हैं इसको? When we try to bring this number into a square minus b square. ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर को हम लोग कोशिश क्या करते हैं कि टू bring in a square minus b square, difference of two square terms. Then what will happen? Let us see. So what we are doing, this is x, a plus b, then we are multiplying up and down with x minus I by 2, I by 2, x2 plus I by 2, x1, x2 into x2 plus then minus then x2 minus I by. Okay, negative of this, then this becomes what? Then this becomes what? We are multiplying this one, x1 into x2. Okay, x1 into x2, then this one minus I x1 by 2, then multiply this plus I by 1 x2. Now this plus into minus I into I square, and this one by 1 by 2. Okay, now come here. This is what? A plus b into a minus b, that will be x square minus a square minus b square, that is x2 square minus this one I by 2, so this is I square by 2 square. Okay, now come here, take these two together, ये दोनों को एक साथ लीजिए, take these two together. This is what? I square means minus 1, and this is minus with minus plus, then this is what? x1 x2 plus I square minus, and this minus plus by 1 into by 2. We have taken it together, and now take here I common. Okay, minus I, then here what we take? x1 by 2 minus by 1 x2 by 1 x2. Okay, and this becomes what? x2 square plus minus I square means minus 1, minus a square means minus 1, or this minus that's is converted into plus, that is x2. Now let us see here. You can write here x1 x2 plus by 1 by 2 divided by x2 square plus by 2 square. Here minus I x1 by 2 minus by 1 x2 divided by what? x2 square plus by 2. Okay, let us see here. All these are real, all these are real, but this is attached with I. Then this one is a real part, this one is real part, and this one is, all this part is real, whole this part is real, but with I, this is imaginary part. Attached with I, this is imaginary. Okay? Then again, Z1 by Z2 is what? Real part minus imaginary part is what? This is a complex number. So what we have seen? We have seen addition of complex number will be done like the same rule as in real numbers. इसी तरह से आप लोग क्या देख रहे हैं कि एडिशन भी कर सकते हैं, सब्सट्रैक्शन भी कर सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी कर सकते हैं और डिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं. जस्ट सिमिलरली, जस्ट सिमिलर एज वी वे आर परफॉर्मिंग इन केस ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, है ना. जैसे रियल नंबर में जोड़ घटाव गुना भाग कर रहे थे, इसमें भी हम लोग वैसे ही ऐड, सब्सट्रैक्ट, मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड सब कर सकते हैं. ओके.